Hello kids, let's draw 2D shapes. It's a black color, dark black color. It's a dark black color. Let's draw. Triangle, triangle, diamond, diamond, semicircle, semicircle, pentagon, pentagon, trapezoid, trapezoid, cross, cross. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, forest green color, blue color, light green color, pink color, green yellow color, orange color, red color, warm gray color. It's a warm gray color. Warm gray color, natural oak color. It's a natural oak color. Natural oak color, Persian blue color. It's a Persian blue color. Persian blue color, Canada yellow color. It's a Canada yellow color. Canada yellow color, Indian blue color. It's a Indian blue color. Indian blue color, cobalt blue color. It's a cobalt blue color. Cobalt blue color. Now learn shapes. Triangle, diamond, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.